Hello guys, welcome back. In this video I'm going to show you how you can easily put a call on hold on your iPhone. Be sure to watch the video to the very end so you don't make any mistakes, and of course do not forget to like this video and subscribe to my channel. So let's begin, and first off, open up phone app and then just make a call. And then once you are on a call, all you have to do is just tap at that mute icon to mute the call, and then just hold down on that mute icon again. That will put your call on a hold, and now if you want you can make another call. You can just get into contacts, and then you can just select any contact, then hit add call, select mobile, and that's it. Now you can write down in the comments below if you have any questions about that tutorial, and also I recommend you to check out my iPhone tutorials playlist, which you can easily find in the description. Hit the like button if you liked that video, and see you in the next one.